Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new, welcome. So today's March 8th, daylight savings, and we spring ahead today. So I'm going to show you one of the decorations that I did for spring to get me in the mood for the better weather, and I really shopped my stash. I don't have really anything new. I didn't even go shopping. I actually have had this set up for a few weeks now. It's in a two-tier basket, and one of the things that I really love to have in my home are nests. Bird nests are, I don't know, they just remind me of nature and spring rebirth. I love the birds, obviously. One of the nests that I have in my house is actually a nest that I got from my backyard after one summer. So I'll show you that. I'll show you the two-tiered basket that I did, and to show you the pieces. And so here's my basket. And so I told you about the nests. So this one is really just a little small wreath, and the eggs are from Hobby Lobby. I got a bag full of these last year, these little Easter eggs. I just put that in there with this little tiny wreath. The Believe star, I chose that for the color scheme. It's got the light blue and the white, and that's been around in my home for quite a while. Come on the back side, I just found a cute little teacup that I already had that looked kind of springy. And these little tulips were from Michael's. They're just the cutest little tulips. And I picked these up this year and just tucked those in there. The dogwoods, these actually were from Dollar Store last year. I had them on my, I think I had them on the porch, but I pulled out, I had this, actually this mason jar had granola in there. From the grocery store. So when I was done with the granola, I emptied that out and used that. These are actually from, I believe these were like Christmassy. They're kind of sparkly with the little red berries, but I just used those as a filler. And then on the bottom tier, I have some more of this filler around a battery operated candle. And down here I have another nest, and this actually was something, the nest and the eggs were something that my husband and I went to Gloucester this past summer, and I purchased this at a store, a little gift store. They're separate pieces. But so cute, right? This little nest. Oh, it's got a little clip there. I never even realized. But I love nests, and so I had to pick that up. So it's a little souvenir from a day trip this past summer. And these little bunnies, this is from QVC. And I had purchased these last year. And they were a set of 3. And they're kind of sparkly. And they're so cute, and I actually had them on my mantle, so I took them off, put them in my basket, and they're just so cute. And I have one up here. She's sitting up there. And then the other thing down here was just this little posy from Michael's, and I just stuck it in there. So yeah, that's given me a very happy little spring decor for my home. The basket itself was a piece I picked up at a yard sale a few years ago. So cute. And I'll show you this other nest. So this was a candle that, you know, I wasn't using anymore. And because it says bless our nest, this nest, and I'm not gonna pick it up because it's well, it's not that fragile really. It's a real bird's nest from my yard. They weren't using it anymore, the occupants. Those are the little eggs from Hobby Lobby. And I just absolutely love that. So I thank the birds for giving me this really cute nest. So yeah, that's my spring decorating, and well, one little piece, and that's the start of it. And hopefully get you inspired for your spring decorating. I would love for you to comment. I would love to have you share some pictures of what you have done in your own homes. So yeah, let me know if you like it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe and come back again. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching. Take care.